Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more. Today we have random items that I got from Shop Miss Hay. I figured last video was makeup. This one's just going to be a whole bunch of random stuff. I want to show you what I got. Hopefully some things are good. If not, I'll let you know. So first thing I got was a couple different face masks. The first one is more of like a infinity scarf looking one. It's kind of the best way I can think of it, but it has flames and it's definitely not the best quality, but my boyfriend happens to like ones like this instead of just a regular mask, so I figured I would definitely try it out. Doesn't seem bad, but I'll definitely be interested to see how long this actually lasts, but it's pretty long too, so hopefully it'll work out for him. If not, I'll definitely try it, or I might actually be able to make this into a cute headband if anything else fails. So we'll see. I do have a couple more face masks. These are all reusable, washable, and they're fabric. So we have the one, cute little flowers on there. Another one with flowers. This one's a navy blue one. And finally, just a simple gray one. Like I said, just in case the boyfriend does want to try one, I went the safe route. The next thing I got was a couple different scarves. I thought these were really pretty, so hopefully they're actually going to be good for what I was planning on using them for, but this is the first one. It's actually really pretty. This could even just be a cute little over the table kind of thing, and just a very pretty scarf decoration even. But yeah, it feels actually really nice too, so I'm quite excited. I did take a lot of the stuff out of packaging, so you guys didn't hear the rustling of papers and wrappers and stuff, so trying to be more considerate for you guys. I did get a couple more. So this is just a regular bandana, and it's definitely a good size. I don't know if you guys actually be able to see the size, but again, really pretty. Doesn't feel the best, but this could definitely just be used as a decoration, or I can still wrap my hair with it, so quite excited about that. Another one, I do like some good tie-dye. I do have a couple hauls coming up, so tie-dye is going to be a part of some of them. This is a tie-dye scarf again, or bandana, sorry, I apologize. But I thought it was really cute. Again, doesn't feel the best quality, but I'll definitely be able to use it, and it is pretty big, so quite happy with that. I did also get a hairbrush. This is from Kella. It is a 100% boar bristle ion technology brush. So I figured I would try, see how that goes. I'm not sure about this brush. I do have some interesting hair sometimes, so we'll see. It's definitely something worth a shot, and for $1, it seems actually pretty good quality too, so quite excited about that. Sticking with some hair items, I did get some bobby pins. They're just a whole bunch of rainbow colors, and I was just excited about these. Why not? Doing a little something, but not too crazy with the hair, so I figured they would be good. It says a fun look, no slip, grip, curved, and holds all day, so I will definitely let you guys know if these work out. Like I said, bobby pins, half the time I end up losing them anyway, so 100 for $1 I was quite happy about. The one thing that I forgot to show you in my makeup haul, so I'll just show them now, are little face gems. I figured this would be really fun for Halloween, or even, well, if we can ever go to a festival or a fair. I think these would be really cute to try. I also got a second pair, so hopefully these will work out. My hopes aren't up very high, but I wanted to see, and for $1, why not try them? Those over there. The next thing I got is a cable protector. I wanted to see about this because with, you know, your cell phone cords and things like that, you never know, or I happen to have a cat who is very mischievous sometimes, so I figured this might be a good way to protect my little cable, and hopefully he won't mess with it, but we'll see. He's a little butt sometimes, but he's mine and I love him. So the next thing I got is actually a ring, which I thought it was quite pretty, but just a little simple ring. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or if it's gonna focus on me, but it's cute. I'm gonna see if it'll actually, okay. There it is on the hand. And it's quite comfortable. I'll have to see. I know some people do use clear nail polish so it doesn't color your fingers, so hopefully. We'll see. But it's pretty. I'm gonna keep it on too, why not? Next couple things I got are headbands. I figured these were actually pretty cute, and I'm not a big fan of these kind of headbands, but I wanted to try them out because they just look pretty, and I was interested. But I happen to have a really big head, just in general, so sometimes these can be uncomfortable, so I'm hoping they have a good amount of stretch. I'm hoping they'll be okay. And the next one is just quite pretty. So hopefully they work. Again, this one has a good amount of stretch too, so I'm excited to try them out, especially with the yellow tones and everything. Very fall vibe. Definitely get into that. I did get a couple pairs of socks because I was interested, and I have a lot of socks, but I do like them. So the first one is just a cute little pattern here, and these are from Just Shop Miss A. Really cute. Next pair is pretty much similar to the other ones, just a different color. And they seem actually decent quality too, so I'm quite excited. We'll see how they wash, because that's definitely a good indicator on too whether or not they're gonna be ones that actually stick around. And this final pattern, again, really cute. And I have small feet, so when I see socks like this, I'm quite excited because I know they're not gonna be too big and just not work for myself. So let's see what else. I did get some jewelry other than the ring, so I wanted to try this stuff out too. I got a necklace. This happens to be very long, and this I actually wanted to wait before I took out because jewelry can be interesting. So I wanted to kind of do a first impressions on how I feel about it. So, okay. All right. This is actually, okay, I think I'll be able to get some wear out of that. It is quite pretty. It's gonna go pretty low, so hopefully that'll be okay. But even with like a black shirt like this, that would be really pretty, so I'm excited. Or, you know, if you have a nice, I'm trying to think, a nice blazer, because some people like to do, you know, a little peekaboo bralette kind of thing. That might be a look too. I don't know if I'm all that confident to do something like that, but go ahead. As long as you feel beautiful, you are beautiful. So quite excited, and it actually feels nice. So yay, that's one necklace that was okay. I did get two more, so this is another long one. I didn't realize I got as many long ones as I did, but it's okay. Okay, this one, Alright, I think I like the other one a little bit more when it comes to quality, but again, they were $1. I'm not gonna complain. It still feels nice, and I still will be able to use it. It's just, I don't know, I think the other one had a little bit more weight to it, but it's still pretty, and I'll definitely be able to use it. Yeah, I'm excited. Not bad. The next one is, okay, I wasn't sure about this pattern, but there was something about it that I'm like, you know what, why not? Let's go for it. And actually, it might go nicely with what I'm wearing today since it's pretty basic. Open it up. All right, this one and the other one seem quite similar when it comes to quality. Not the best, but like I said, I'm not going to complain, especially for the price. But not bad. This might also be, I wonder, I got really long ones. I'm way too short, but it's pretty, and I think it'll go really nicely with like a black shirt or really anything. I mean, why not? Go ahead, and as long as you're happy with it, you can do what you'd like. The final jewelry item I got was a bracelet, and I thought this was really cute, and this actually feels nice quality as well, especially for $1. Stretchy, so you don't have to worry about it. Let me just open it and try it on. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's pretty. Do that so you guys can actually see it on. And it's stretchy, so it'll work with quite a bit. Yeah, that's nice. It has just 3 little hearts. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is pretty. Alrighty, and we're coming to a close. It's not a really big haul at all. I just figured I wanted to do some separate things. This, now, I didn't order this. I ordered another one of these, but they gave me these, so I'm guessing it was a little bit of a mishap, but it's okay. I'm not gonna be mad or anything. It's okay. It was $1. These are just fashion bra straps. I mean, I could try them. I actually do have a black strapless bra that these might be able to work with, but I'm also a bit gifted up top, so I don't know how supportive these straps will actually be, but we'll see. They're cute. And finally, because I do happen to color my hair, or at least I have to lately, I got a double-sided hair dye applicator. So I figured it's something I could try. Luckily, I haven't had to do it very often. I did have to do this red because my color was fading out, and I loved the color before. The hairstylist did such an amazing job, but with everything going on, you know, I have to be smart with my money and make sure that, you know, have to be an adult. So I figured this is okay. It's not bad. I've done worse, especially when I was younger in your high school days. You want to go for those colors, and I'm still all about the colors, don't get me wrong, but hopefully I just know how to do them better now. But yeah, that's it. Just a quick little haul of just random stuff that I got, and I'll definitely end up getting some more random stuff because I did think quite a few items were really nice quality. A lot of the things are sold out. That's the only problem with the website, which, I mean, good for them, more power to you, you're selling, but I'd like to, you know, be able to get some essential oils or just random. I think I actually got some bath bombs, but I have no idea where they're at. I know I got some bath bombs. I got like 3. I got one that looks like a cute little macaroon cookie and just 2 regular ones, so I'll let you know how those go once I can actually find them. Just a quick reminder that you are sassy, lovely, clever, and if today is not a good day, that's okay, because all we can do is try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.